Joel here from the Traveler Toolkit to tell you about this Favoto Mountain Bike Helmet. This has been my mountain bike helmet of choice for about 6 months. Do a lot of testing of e-bikes and mountain bikes out on the trail, so I need to have something that is not just comfortable but has a lot of airflow in it, because in the summer it can get really hot, but also a lot of safety features. So let me take you through why I chose this helmet and why I think it might be a good fit for you. The first reason I chose it is because of all the airflow vents. I mean, if you look at the top of this thing, the entire top has ridges and giant holes where you can get airflow to your head. Even on the side, you've got these nice giant holes and vents. It's got mesh up front. I really like the airflow on this helmet. And speaking of heat and sun, I like the bill, the adjustable bill in the front. This has a lot of different ways to adjust this, but you can just kind of loosen the sides and go up and down with this. So if you want it all the way up, or if you want it to block more sun, bring it on down. I really like the versatility of this helmet and kind of just the ways that you can wear it. I also like the protection along the back. That's something that we don't often think of. If we're falling back and hit the back of our head with a helmet, you want something that doesn't stop up here near kind of the middle of your head. You want it to come back almost to your neckline, and this has got that great protection in there, as well as having a strap if you're wearing goggles to kind of strap those goggles in. So it's just an elastic strap that kind of hooks in down there below, so you can add goggles. I don't normally wear those, but it's nice to know that if I did some more extreme mountain biking and wore goggles to keep the mud out of my face, you could strap it into the back of this helmet and it wouldn't go anywhere. The inside is pretty self-explanatory. It's got some nice padding up front, but it's also got a click adjuster on the back. So you just kind of click through this, put it on your head, pull it tight. So why don't I just throw this on my head and show you how it looks. And there you have it on an adult man. I stick it on my head, and every time I take this back clicker and I just kind of tighten it up, then I can buckle my chin strap. And this chin strap has got some nice padding here. That's something that not a lot of helmets have. They might have like a cover, but it doesn't have just a little piece of padding. And if you need to adjust this, the strap kind of goes into the pad here so it doesn't flop around. That's a big pet peeve of mine, kind of a floppy strap. So there you go. The Favoto Mountain Bike Helmet, been my mountain bike helmet of choice all year long. I love it so far. Lots of airflow, lots of versatility. I think you're going to really like it. So check it out for yourself.